Hi, I'm Charlotte. Welcome to another tutorial from Decenomy. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps involved to be able to stake coins on a VPS. We will be using Kyanite Wallet here, but as always the process is the same for any Decenomy coin. This guide is, however, for advanced users and assumes that you know how to safely use an Ubuntu server. So to start, you need to open your VPS and connect to it using SSH. We are assuming you will run all the commands as root user. Next, we need to navigate to the latest releases on our GitHub for Kyanite. You will find the link to any coin's GitHub page on our Discord channels under official links. Make sure never to download any files without going through the proper channels. From the releases page, we can then copy the link for the Linux version. On our VPS, we will then download the wallet using wget command followed by the link we copied on the GitHub page. Once ready, it will look similar to the bottom image, then press enter. We now extract the archive using unzip command, so we type unzip kyan-1.0.0.1-linux.zip. If the command is not available, you can run apt install unzip and try the command again. Now we copy the Kyan executables in /usr/local/bin folder to make them available as system command. So we type cp kyanite */usr/local/bin/. Next, let's start the Kyan daemon and encrypt the wallet. Type command kyanite ddaemon followed by kyanite CLI encrypt wallet and then your password. We can now create a system service to make sure our wallet will always run. So we type nano/etc/systemd/system/kyanite.service. This command will open Nano text editor where we paste the following. Unit, in closed brackets. Description is Kyan service. After, equals network target. Start limit interval SEC, which is equal to 0. Service, in closed brackets. Type, which is forking. Restart set to always. Restart SEC, which is 10. User, to be root. Exec start, which is /usr/local/bin/kyanite conf equals /root/.kyanite/kyanite.conf datadir equals /root/.kyanite. And exec stop, which is /usr/local/bin/kyanite CLI conf equals /root/.kyanite/kyanite.conf datadir equals /root/.kyanite stop. Next, install in closed brackets. And finally, wanted by equals multi-user.target. You can copy the above directly from our text tutorial guide on our Gitbook channel, which we will provide a link for in the comments. Again, it is worth pointing out this is for the Kyanite wallet. If you need any of the command wording for a different Decenomy coin, then please contact one of our team leaders on our Discord channels. We can now exit the Nano configuration and save it. To do this, we use Ctrl+X, then Y, then Enter. To apply the change, we run the following command. systemctl daemon-reload. Now we need to set up the kyanite.config file, so we use nano again through the following command. nano/root/.kyanite/kyanite.conf. Then paste the following lines into it. Daemon equals 1. Server equals 1. RPC user equals kyanite. RPC password equals your RPC password. RPC allow IP equals 127.0.0.1. And staking equals 1. Then save and exit Nano like before. The configuration is now complete and we can start the Kyanite service and generate a new address. To do this, we use systemctl start kyanite.service. Then, kyanite-cli get new address. You will then see a new address for the wallet appear. While we wait for the wallet synchronization, we can transfer our funds to the address we just generated. As the last step, we need to unlock our wallet for staking. So we type kyanite-cli wallet passphrase, then your password, followed by the time you want the wallet to be unlocked for in seconds. In this case, we have made it quite a while, and then followed by the word true. It is worth noting coins need 600 network confirmations to start staking, approximate 10 hours. You can verify the staking status using the command kyanite-cli get staking status. When all fields return true, then you are all set. And that's it. You are now staking your coins on a VPS. Thank you again for supporting Decenomy, and please do feel free to check out lots of other tutorials we have on our YouTube channel.